In this problem we have
240
divided by
240
divided by
240
times
240.
According to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. And now let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have
240
divided by
240,
which equals
1.
Now our problem became
1
divided by
240
times
240.
So we have to work from left to right.
1
Divided by
240,
which can be written as
1
over
240
times
240.
Now we can easily cancel this
240
and this
240,
which equals 1. So our final answer for this problem is just 1.